In this video we are going to understand the concept of modulo operator. It's basically like how to calculate the remainder. Modulo operator is used to find the remainder. So when we execute this, it is asking us to enter the dividend, basically the number which we want to divide. Let's say we want to divide 20, and it is asking us to enter the divisor, like by which number we want to divide. Let's say I want to divide it by 5. So it says that when we divide 20 by 5, so the remainder is 0. Likewise, if we execute it one more time, so let's say 21 and divided by 5, so the remainder is 1. So what is the logic used behind this is pretty simple. Like here, uh, it is asking us to enter the dividend, and we are storing this value which is received by the answer variable in this variable, and after that it is asking for the divisor. Then again this value is stored in another variable, which is this one, and then we are applying the formula, basically like here you can see. So we are using this modulus operator. Modulus operator is used to find the remainder. So we want to divide this number by this number, so whatever the answer will be there, like whatever the remainder will be there, that will be stored in this variable here, and after that we have to print it. So we are using certain join statements, and in the join statements you can see again, this is a message, this is a value, this is a message, and again a value, then a message, then the answer. So you are combining like multiple messages with multiple values. So here you can see we are using 1 2 3 4 5 join instructions. So this is basically how we do the modulo operator.